Patty says that would make an excellent Christmas tree. Concert by Eric!
Concert!
I'm gonna sit right up in your business.
Okay.
Nice and intimate.
He starts playing the jazz too.
No jazz. What piece?
It's now 12:30 and we still haven't left, but we've had some nice snack time and some nice journaling time like Caroline's doing over there.
Okay, I didn't realize you were...
Yeah, and we're gonna have first aid class. I mean, I still enjoy this nice view, so. We saw this rock, and Billy, being the climber that she is, wanted to climb it.
I don't know if I can do it without proper shoes though.
This view is really cool. And back to our regularly scheduled first aid class.
Head to toe, because I know she fell because she was bouldering one of those rocks here.
So we have a bit of a change of plans for today. One of our group members, Mia, isn't feeling very well, so that's why we've kind of been postponing leaving today, and we've decided that she still isn't feeling any better. So we're gonna stay here at camp again tonight. We'll have to like set up everything again, and then that'll just push back our layover days and peak days for Chimney Rock. It should be okay. So we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day, have pizza making class, and you know, get some laundry done, just kind of enjoy ourselves. So yeah. We're heading back to the open area where we had our tent last night to set up camp again. How do you feel about today, Ron?
I'm glad that it's a chill day because I really needed that.
Yeah. And then it's just back in that open area back there. Here's the beginnings of our tent. Joe is running like always. And we're gonna head to pizza time now. Got some flour, sugar, yeast, seasonings. Billy's gonna be teaching the pizza class. Hi, Billy.
Hi.
There's Mac over there. And around. I added way too much water to our dough, but it's fine. We'll just have like 6 pizzas instead of 4.
And this is mine.
Yeah, Max is a lot better.
I love my pizza.
I'm having another bowl of cereal. It's one of those days. I made my milk first, and then I'm gonna put the cereal in, which is heathen behavior, but it's easier to mix the milk that way, so it's fine. This is our giant dough baby. It's pretty firm in there.
Look at that thing. Okay, for comparison, this is what mine looks like.
It's like a regular dough.
It's a square. It's a literal shape. Oh my goodness.
Since today has turned into a bit of an impromptu layover day, I decided to take a moment to wash some clothes and wash my face and hair. I just really like the view from down here. Nice view to take a bath too. The sky looks mildly questionable at best. I don't know the weather for sure, but I wouldn't be surprised if it started raining. Anyway, it's about 4:50, so we're gonna start cooking dinner now. Anyway, I'll update you if it storms or not. We put up the tarps just in case it rains, but nothing's happened yet, so it might not rain now. There's our giant dough baby, ready to make some pizza.
Yes. Now I gotta find
Yeah.
the recipe book, which is in my bag.
It did in fact begin to rain, so these tarps were useful. And over there is Mac's Brownie chilling. Mac is panically putting their stuff away in the tent because of said rain, so yeah, I need to go watch the Brownie. Here's Mac's Brownie. I took it off the heat, so hopefully it'll solidify. If not, we'll just have chocolate goo and it'll still taste good. Because chocolate is always good. It looks like fudge. I would totally eat that. It looks good.
Try it.
I don't want to try it. I want to go back home and make it the right way.
Rowan is making the sauce. Here is the result of Mac's Brownie.
Things together. It'll be like one of those fancy
Patty's pouring it for
like
us.
Put the dough.
Here's our big dough baby. We have a lot of dough. You ready for some pizza? I am ready for some pizza. So here's the toppings. We got summer sausage and cheese.
There's some dirt. That's okay. Okay.
And over here is our pizza crust. Looks pretty good. That's the rest of our big giant dough baby. But it's alright, we'll have a lot of pizza. Alright, so this is our current pizza. It's a little bit better than the first one, but the bottom's a little bit off. But it looks pretty, so it's alright.
Sorry, I interrupted your vlog.
Yeah, alright. So we're gonna cut this and eat it now. Here is our third pizza, compliments of Chef Ellie and Chef Caroline.
It's looking good.
We're also making some
It might be our best.
Yeah.
I hope so. I'm excited. And I'm getting a little full. But Patty was like, you better make everyone an individual pizza. And I'm like,
So, we're making pizza.
Alright everyone, thoughts of your pizza?
Super good. I enjoyed mine.
Mia hasn't had hers yet, that's part of Mia's right there.
I'm excited.
Yeah? Omar?
It's so good.
It's a
Pizza. It's
Shrug.
so good. I'll pick it off the ground. I'll just like moan as I do it. No.
Cleaning, more pizza. Yeah. After dinner, we had our nightly alpaca meeting.
Cross down on, and then there's like a saddle where we'll camp.
ooh, how many miles?
3 miles.
3 miles.
Oh no! I literally was going to save my clothes. My children were. I would have dealt with it.
Omar's happy.
I would have
He's
stabbed
vibing.
Joe was about to start.
I have a question.
Yeah.
What's the longest race you've ever run?
I run a half marathon. That's the longest I've run.
And suddenly the rain was gone. We're getting some water. I really like the way that the clouds reflect on the wall. Water time. So that'll be a wrap for today. It didn't go as planned, but we still had a good time. It was a nice, chill, relaxed day. We ate way too many carbs. And hopefully we'll be refueled and ready to go for our 3-mile hike tomorrow, and then the peak summit day the day after that, I believe. See you tomorrow. Ab workout time.
Keep doing those like there. Make it up the mountain.
Baby rock.
It's not the size that matters.